Here's a Bose QuietComfort Ultra earbuds. I'm going to show you how to parent connect these directly to an Android phone. The Android phone that I'm using is a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So the first thing we want to do is get this into pairing mode. We'll know this is pairing mode when the light is blinking blue, okay? So if you look in the back of the case, you have a button here, okay? That little one button. So let me open these up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to press and hold that one button for about 2 seconds or until I see a blue light here, okay? So I'm going to press that button right now, press and hold. There's a blue button, go ahead and let go. And now you can see the blue is blinking, indicating it's in pairing mode. My Android phone, you may get this pop up here. If you do, go ahead and tap on connect. However, if you don't, just go directly to settings and then go to connections. And then from here, you want to tap on Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Tap on Bluetooth. Now, you should scroll down. You should see it under available devices, okay? I see my Bose QC Ultra earbuds. So let me tap on that right there. It says pairing. I'll probably get a pairing request here as well, right there. Let me tap on pair. And give it one moment. Now you can see my QC earbuds is now connected. Now, if you guys have issues where you couldn't connect or you couldn't pair, you have problems, you can always factory reset these. Look in the link below in the description. I'll try to factory reset these if you have problems connecting. Okay? There you guys go.